Hello friends and welcome to this amazing lecture on animations using Flet. So once we have done with the opacity part, now each and every other part is just a continuity of that. So just let me show you creating a file for the another animation, that is rotation. So let's just name it as rotate.py. And once we have created the file, the basic structure or the basic code is the same as the opacity part. So let's just copy and paste it from the border radius, from this start to the border radius. Now we don't have the opacity here. So in the rotate function, we have in the rotate code, we have something like rotate. So we have rotate is equals to ft.transform. So what do we transform? Transform dot rotate. So that's the function we are going to use, and from rotate we have 0, comma, we have alignment is equals to ft dot alignment dot center. Yeah, that's the basic thing. And this would be alignment dot center. Now this is right, ft dot alignment dot center. Yeah. Now after this we have animate rotation. We have animate underscore rotation. So that's it. Rotation is equals to ft dot animation or animation dot animation again, and then we have how much do we need to animate, or how much degrees would it rotate. So 300, let's say 300, comma, we have ft dot animation curve. Basically, yeah, that's it, animation curve. Now how do you want that animation curve? So the bounce in, bounce out, bounce in, out, whatever. So how you want to rotate it? So we are selecting bounce out. So you can play around with this. This is not mandatory that you select this. I just always want you to play around and learn on your own. The more you code on your own, the more you visualize what is happening, the more you will learn. So we just create this animate function now, and inside this function we rotate, or we have the animate c dot rotate. So why this is happening with, why this is using the C? Because we've created a container already, right? So that will be having rotate, and once this is like what angle do we want to rotate? So rotate angle, and now we have plus equal to, we have pi by 2. So pi by 2. So we pi divided by, we have space here, divided by 2. Okay, now that's done. So we need to import like from pi. See, this is giving you a warning, right? So we need to import from the math library. From math, what we need is, we need square root. Now we need to import pi. So now once you import that, that warning will go away. That's done. We update the page. That's page dot update. And now the rest, everything was like from the previous thing. What we need is, we need the alignment, and then we need the page vertical after the page is done. So below this function, below this we have the page vertical alignment, main axis alignment, center, everything, spacing is 30, and then we add, what do we add? We add the animate button. So instead of animate, we add rotate. So this comes under animate, I know that, but then just end this function ft.app, and that will have target is equals to main. Yes, that's it. So once we see here, there are no errors inside or warnings. We just run the application now. As soon as you run this application, so we have this inside the center of the screen, we have the blue color. Let's just change this color to from blue to red. Let's see what we have here. So let's just change this color, save it, and rerun the application. So we had used the blue color already. Okay, now see, you can see red color. So just rotate it. Okay, it's getting rotated by pi by 2. Yeah. So let's rotate it. So if you want, you can change this width and rotate from 5 by 2. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we can change the height as something like less than the width, so we can visualize the rotation perfectly. So let's just change this to 90. Save. Okay, save this and rerun the application for the better visualization. So now we can see this is a rectangle. When it rotates, it will rotate like this. See, so we can visualize that it's rotating now, right? So yeah, that's about it. That's the rotation exercise, or that's the rotation code in animation using Flet. Thank you.